It is now Sunday and I just kind of wanted to show you what it takes to leave from the trailer. So again, currently our travel trailer is parked at my uncle's, and this is where we've been storing it since mom and dad have moved in because there's not enough room in our driveway. So we've been storing it here, and during the summer months we actually have it set up kind of like a campground, and then in the winter months we actually park them in between two buildings so that they're just tucked away and out of my uncle's way. But I wanted to show you kind of what happens when we leave the trailer, and that basically means emptying this entire thing. So I have my truck currently, and I have sort of started packing up a little bit this morning. So like, as for our pantry cupboard, I have now moved everything to cleanly see what I need to pull out. So I pulled everything to the front of the cabinets, and all of this is just going to be loaded in the truck. But then you can see this is our bathroom cupboard, and I have removed everything, and we leave dryer sheets in here. It's supposed to help with mice. Don't know if it actually works or not. But also we've been leaving these are actually fire starters, but they smell so good. So we've been leaving that in a lot of the cupboards. But so in that cupboard was all of this stuff, and this is my travel bag to go back and forth with, my dry shampoo obviously, and Advil and stuff. But these things we kind of keep in here at all times. Same with the sunscreen. This hairbrush I'm actually going to leave here just so in case I ever forget mine, I have one here. That doesn't hurt anything by staying here. But like these things, now that it's becoming fall, these things could technically freeze, and it's just stuff that we can utilize at home. Like this is after sun gel we can put away for now for the winter. The towel we didn't really use too much because we did mainly washing in there, so I will leave this here just because we think we're going to be coming up one more time before winter, so I'll leave that so that I know I have a towel here. But then in here as well, I do have shampoos in there and some toilet paper that I will bring home. This is kind of where we keep our garbage and laundry. Since we got Ram, we used to keep our garbage bin out there and then our water beside it. But since Ram is awful for getting into things, we now had a recycling bag and our garbage, and as you can see it is overflowing with paper plates, and that is going to be emptied today, and I will clean the garbage can and leave it here. The recycling will be taken home, and our dirty laundry I will put into a bag to take home as well. I just hung my bathing suits here so that they dry, so those will be going home, and a towel that we were using to clean up Damien every night, and obviously our bathroom garbage. The toilet I will clean, and all of this I will wipe down to clean. And as for our controls, I turn off our water pump, I make sure our hot water heater is off, and then make sure everything is off. And I sometimes open up some of the vents a little bit, I literally just a crack so that no rain can come in. And then as for Damien's room, I make sure I shut all of the curtains so that the sun isn't coming in here and damaging anything like sun fading. I am going to strip Damien's bed and take this sheet home and wash it, and then some of this stuff here is just extra stuff for the trailer. So like these are trailer pillows, trailer blankets, and this big blue blanket Kyle uses in our bed. Yeah, the blue blanket I will leave here. The trailer blankets I will leave here. The trailer pillows I will leave here. But then we keep the dog food up here, and we just used a rice box for Diesel's food, and then that's Ram's. And then like I said, I'll strip down the sheets and open this bed because it does lift up, and it's just better for like mice and stuff when everything is open. So all the cupboards will be open, and obviously like Damien's stuff will be cleared out of here. That shelf broke when we went to Boots and Hearts. But anyways, all of that will pretty much come home. These dog bowls stay. The fridge has to be emptied last, and I make sure it's turned off and all the lights are off. Obviously my ice maker will be coming home, and in here we keep a lot of our pots and pans and stuff, and the only thing that needs to come out of here is the toaster. This is actually our trailer toaster, so normally it stays here. But when we were living at mom and dad's, our other toaster broke. So we took this one out of the trailer and we've been using that one. So I make sure this whole counter is cleared, all the dishes are done and put away completely. And then I clean out this cupboard. I have been keeping these coffees here. However, I'm not sure when we're gonna come back, so I want to take all the food out just in case, because mice can get into those, and spices and a couple candles that we brought I'm gonna take home as well. But the paper plates and all of the cutlery and stuff can stay here. Rami claimed this couch as his bed. So you can see the dog hair on it. I will be taking this home and washing it and then bringing it back when we do come back. In here is just a bunch of random dishes that mainly can stay here because they are all for the trailer. Damien has DVDs here. They stay here. And then we keep our chips in this cupboard so that when we're outside and we want to grab chips, we just walk in the door and we can grab them here. This Keurig is going to stay here, and then I think the rest is empty. And then the dinette, there is pretty much nothing in. And in behind here, I do have our beach bag, which will be going home, and my solar panel. As for our bedroom, Kyle already emptied out his clothes. I do have to empty out my clothes, and I keep like my half-worn clothes, ones that I can wear again, on the side of my bed, and then I'll bring home my power bank. I have a dirty laundry bag and a clean laundry bag, so when we get home it's already sorted. Obviously that's Damien and I's stuff, so it'll have to be sorted before it goes in the wash. But at least it's done and I can put this stuff away. Normally I have laundry baskets and like laundry bags and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm using plastic bags, and that's because I didn't prep for going home this time around. And also we had a laundry basket here, but Kyle took that home with some stuff in it, so now I'm kind of just working with what I have. Otherwise I try and use boxes to like carry stuff out from the trailer and stuff, but today I'm working on minimal, and all of this has to go in the truck bed. So I do want some of the stuff protected so that it's not on a dirty truck bed. But anyways, my cupboards are now cleaned out. I have the towels to grab over there still, a vest, and I have my little electronics bag. So I'm gonna shove my cords into here, and I have some batteries here. They can all go in there, and my power bank charger, which currently you are sitting on, so that can go in there, and my tripod. This hairband is actually from my truck, so it's gonna go back to my truck. So, and then I just have some receipts that I will need for income tax, and my sunglasses I will need for later, and a bottle of water. So now this side, oh, and my other sunglasses. So that is it for my side. And our bed is made for the next time. This could probably be washed, but because we might come up again to stay, I'm just leaving it. And then when we're up the next time, I'll strip it completely. And then we have our towels, which I had out on the awning. They were all drying and they're finally dry. Kyle's speaker, and just some stuff I have here. So that is what it takes. I don't bring in this slide out. I make sure all the windows are shut, all the window coverings are shut, the awning is shut, and the doors I actually leave unlocked, and I will be leaving the keys here in case my uncle ever needs to move the trailer for whatever reason. He has tons of trucks and equipment that he can move it at any time. And then also the barbecue outside and the carpet we will be picking up and putting away. The trailer is all shut up, all completely clean. We are home, and this is the worst part of it all, unloading the truck. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.
Had to wait.